Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set a cross-reference to a page number in Word. When working with long documents in Word, you may find yourself searching for an easy way to link content between different pages. Let us show you how to do it. Open your Word file. Click where you want to add a reference. Go to the Insert tab. Expand the links group if necessary. Click the Cross-Reference button. In the reference type list, select the type of reference. We'll choose the Numbered Items option. All the items will display in the For Which Numbered Item box. Check the box next to Insert as Hyperlink. Select the item you want to cross-reference from the list. Then select Page Number from the Insert Reference To section. Then click on the Insert button and close the Cross-Reference dialog box. The cross-reference is inserted. Control-click to jump to the page you cross-referenced. That's it! What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.